We often imagine creation as a grand act, someone or something bringing the universe into being. A divine sculptor shaping galaxies, a cosmic engineer designing life, a creator who made everything, including us. But the Upanishads, the ancient philosophical texts of India, ask a question far deeper than who created the world. They ask, does creation even need a creator? According to the Upanishads, everything we see, the stars, the oceans, even our thoughts, arises from one fundamental reality called Brahman. Brahman isn't a god sitting somewhere creating worlds. It's not a being in the universe. It's the being of the universe itself. It's pure existence, pure consciousness, pure bliss, Sat Chit Ananda. Think of it this way, a clay pot doesn't exist apart from clay. Even when you give the clay a new shape, the essence remains clay. Similarly, every atom, every mind, every moment is nothing but Brahman in a different form. When we hear the word creation, we imagine a builder building something outside himself. But the Upanishads describe it differently. They say the universe is not constructed, it's manifested, the way a dream appears in the mind of the dreamer. In a dream, you see landscapes, people, drama. Yet everything you see is nothing but your own consciousness taking form. In the same way, the universe appears within Brahman, within consciousness itself. When consciousness dreams, we call it the world. The Mundaka Upanishad gives a beautiful metaphor. As a spider spins its web from within itself and draws it back again, so does the universe arise and dissolve in the imperishable. Here, the spider is not separate from the web. The web is simply an extension of the spider's being, natural, effortless, continuous. Creation in this view isn't a deliberate act, it's the spontaneous self-expression of existence itself. When you say creation, you assume a beginning, a time when there was nothing, and suddenly something appeared. But the Upanishads say there was never a time when you were not. Existence doesn't begin, it simply is. What we call creation is like waves rising and falling in the ocean. Forms appear, change, dissolve, but the ocean remains the same. The Upanishads don't deny God. They simply dissolve the boundary between God and creation. Brahman is not somewhere outside, creating the world. Brahman is the world and everything in it. At the everyday level, the level of prayer, duty, and devotion, it's natural to think of a creator, Ishvara, the divine intelligence governing the cosmos. But at the highest level, the Paramarthika Satya, the ultimate truth, even Ishvara merges back into Brahman. There's no doer, no deed, and no creation, only infinite self-luminous existence. Strangely, this ancient vision aligns with some modern ideas in physics and philosophy. Quantum physics tells us that matter isn't made of solid stuff. It's fluctuations in a field, patterns of energy. Idealist philosophers say reality is fundamentally mental, a play of consciousness. In both cases, creation doesn't require an external craftsman. It unfolds from the very fabric of being itself. The Upanishads whisper, no, not because there is no sacredness, but because everything is sacred. The universe was never made. It was simply revealed, the way sunlight reveals itself without effort. The creator and the creation are not two. They are one continuum of consciousness, eternally expressing, eternally becoming. To ask who created the world is like a wave asking, who created the ocean? The answer is silence, for the wave is the ocean, dreaming itself for a while.